Friends, today we will discuss about India's first user trial of nuclear-capable ballistic missile AGNI-5 and why China is not happy about it. First, we will discuss about the report on the Hindu. The report says China questions India's missiles project. Chinese Foreign Minister Zhao Lijian refers to UNSCR, meaning United Nations Security Council Resolution 1172, adopted in 1998. Friends, we will first discuss about this India's missiles project, then the UNSCR 1172 resolution. The Integrated Missile Development Program was managed by DRDO and Ordnance Factory Board in partnership with the India government under the leadership of Abdul Kalam Azad. Remember the great hero we all worship? There are 5 types of missiles under this IGMDP, meaning the Integrated Missile Development Program. We can remember it in this way: Patna, P for Prithvi, A for Akash, T for Trishul, N for Nag, and A for Agni. Prithvi is a surface-to-surface short-range ballistic missile. Akash is a medium-range surface-to-air missile. Nag is a third-generation fire-and-forget anti-tank missile. Trishul is a short-range, low-level surface-to-air missile. Agni is an intermediate-range surface-to-surface missile. Now we will try to learn about the meaning of ballistic missile. Now, ballistic missile is a rocket-propelled, self-guided strategic weapons system that follows a ballistic trajectory to deliver a payload from its launch site to a predetermined target. Ballistic missiles can carry conventional high explosives as well as chemical, biological, or nuclear munitions. The most fantastic thing about it is that they can be launched from aircraft, ships, and submarines, in addition to land-based silos and mobile platforms. Now we will see what is a ballistic trajectory. You can see that it goes in this way, okay? There are 2 kinds of missiles. Number 1 is ballistic and number 2 is cruise. Now we will understand the difference between a ballistic missile and a cruise missile. A ballistic missile follows a ballistic trajectory with the objective of delivering one or more warheads to a predetermined target, while a cruise missile is a guided missile that remains in the atmosphere and flies the major portion of its flight path at approximately constant speed. Here in the ballistic missile, the target is predetermined, fit for large targets, while in the cruise missile, target can be mobile, more appropriate for small mobile targets. The most interesting thing is ballistic missile is high altitude and it is easy to track, while cruise missiles able to fly in extremely low altitude trajectory makes it difficult to track. In this report we can see India to conduct first user trial of AGNI-5 missile. Now user trial is that Indian Army will be present in the trial and they will test it and then give their precious feedback about it. In this slide, we will learn about AGNI-5 missile. Now, AGNI-5 is an Indian nuclear capable intercontinental, meaning it can go from one continent to another continent. Ballistic missile, or in short ICBM, developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization. And its range is believed to 5,000 to 8,000 kilometers. The most interesting thing about it that the speed of it is Mach 24. This Mach number determines that the thing has more speed than the speed of sound. Now we can see the MIRV technology. Just remember the line. The payload contains several warheads and each capable of being aimed to hit a different target. Meaning you have to just fire once and it can hit different targets at once and making them non-interceptable. I mean you cannot just intercept so much targets at once. Here you can see the illustration how it can target and hit multiple targets at once. The most amazing thing about this missile is its range. I mean it can cover whole China, Africa and parts of Russia and Europe. So you can see the reason why CCP is nervous about it, because it can cover whole China. That's why Global Times, the mouthpiece of CCP, literally warning India and wants to remember us, the resolution of United Nations Security Council Resolution 1172. In this slide, we will see what is the UNSC Resolution 1172. United Nations Security Council's Resolution 1172 adopted unanimously, meaning 5 permanent members and 10 non-permanent members agreed it, and hearing of nuclear tests conducted by India and Pakistan in May 1998, the Council condemned the tests and demanded that both countries refrain from engaging in further tests. China wants to threaten and bully India, but they cannot stop the program. Ironically, China has their own Dongfang 41 missile, which is also an intercontinental ballistic missile. And in this picture, we can see the Dongfang 41. The range of this missile is more than AGNI-5. It's 12,000 to 5,000 kilometers. And the speed of this missile is 25 Mach. Remember the speed of AGNI-5? 24 Mach. And in this Dongfang 41 is having 25 Mach speed. And our enemy, Pakistan, has their own Gauri-2 missile, the range of which is 1,800 to 2,000 kilometers. Now, even though China wants to threaten us, but in reality, no one will criticize us because of our good track record. We don't either sell our nuclear technology illegally to countries, nor does we threaten others like North Korea. That's why in this report you can see India's missile test has few critics, unlike North Korea. After all, we know about Abdul Qadir Khan, the father of Pakistani bomb, who sold nuclear secrets to North Korea and Iran